complain. Captain Smart came and lied to us with so many things. Yes, I don't know some no moves across the make it clean, but there's something or your man before you nipabone or your baby some on Pesagana cost or Pesamiga, one who quoted the glory and not Captain Smart to pay. Because this guy, same Captain Smart, after lying about Commander Sugar Factory, started coming with auditor general report, yet was not able to prosecute just a single person. That time, no number have Mesika and sat down corner into a betnawa. No, but Namia do my Kufuado buy, and I mean, they are not all share because a Kufuado bar first, no. Policy back why ya papa his excellency and now down for Kufuado the year Ghana in Nigeria dance here and free education. Yeah man, free education never no. And yet Obia your friend Captain Smart. Every general radio so can plain say South free education ya papa we di abano. So why yeah you may be a crab he's still the best president of Ghana. Me pa cho me boa. Captain Smart, for those of you are not just take how these people are. Captain Smart say, Captain Smart say, Mr. Drew, they said your mic is on, so mute your mic. Yo, Obaswano I say, Captain Smart say, them. I almost lost my track, but let's come back. Captain Smart, ever be talking about auditor general report that didn't do anything. Free education buy or say that is the best policy ever. Now, or no Captain Smart now Ginimudi. But Ekufuado, one year in the policy and he is still the best president. And woman about say ye basic cathedral. You can't see a basic cathedral, no so no the same and mutum Captain Smart just na nimutum se mukasi be jina o ka say hey president be nie ye who be that na me Kwejo Smart the way I made do me no the two no di chimi but the dada Ghana ni so do nyame ye be si cathedral enu to opeda ni no so aye cement na e ko no journalist for any story this year cathedral no Captain Smart say one of your support because that time no more him that na ko eso nenum it was Kojina Angel FM one no abo white no abo Captain Band so otu akohin so otu akohin no aba e na no pabofo na nyame no de dim tro ne hu fifre praises no worship kwa we ya wo kwaje Bribe wo praises and worship we wo kwaje obi yere note say yan fan koye Commander Sugar Factory na entumi ma ye sugar ye sesa cedi bebre de $1 e de kokraba no esuntwa e ya de papa say media wo ho na media wo ho say ye be inform ye be kanokre ye be educate na ye entertain nipa enu nti ekoba say ye be bie Commander Sugar Factory ano no na say ye nya media fo a omo be kwa kodi referee media fo a enkogi sika no omo be kwa ka asem no said ye den said ye tie ana NDC fo say omo de omo ehu akwa bi a wo ya ade ne wan frɛ na o se program bi de fa be wo so odo be ba betena we be didi watem enti sa de a omo mfa no mra na omo nhwe na funu mu ene ye share Captain Smart afunu mu Captain Smart ba ya no aba be ka kire ye Ghana fo say waya Commander Sugar Factory na ye no kre na ekoso na si kire no kra na nsa na mu a o say enche ye bia no aba video say video ni ni na me say phone we dia me pe phone we pa na me video ya but I know say video no says out there e can play say si kire na ba e ma na ekoso awrahu sam e wo mu ni say factory ni ye bia ni nne no 30th no on the 2nd nothing is working. As a matter of fact, that same day of operation, they made what an announcement say they are shutting down for maintenance. the capuchu do a sebi na ki ebe tumi di akọ dambai so ka kope elibo e di akọ ye on mu ye hohoi oti region upper east upper west one north west savannah ye ni mekwa siesie o $36 million na ya chance rani abasa edi udie MDC for chance rani abasa awe asiti bi ama sebi commander hene commander man hene any atamri sinuya no say mummeka say ya ye sugar factory amamu na yampa enuanum sugar factory na anya adwuma eno nkoda ye wo wa na Captain Smart isai ba ye auditor general report and ye discuss say when you no a ochina or the court one we go process when you on time cra be ma me twan yo wait me vie ya me call her direct but me person who follow Captain Smart I open asem tell me one case Captain Smart to me dia call sebi any police station po to me akwa eden akwa report mo ba ko ma me mo amodo Captain Smart no Captain Smart try yourself those times no or ba for be was no so a check these are the document employer ko so boss ye pen for no wow and auditor general report because that time ye no be auditor general report na ye ntia se po
we did the one say atesem tale yamu bi yemfa yese nkasasa yemfa yese ye nimbre obi a obobra wo obi a waya de payentano because yete Ghana nim ne nse de Ghana city ene yete Ghana ne hu nuoma enne e change Ghana nuoma ya ni hu the same social media you are using to condemn the government, the same social media is publishing the good things by the government, but you will not talk about the good things, you only come for the bad things. What are you talking about? And you want to tell me say you are a journalist, you want to tell me say who you only by UK, so you know what is good in UK, you know the UK system, so you want Ghana system to change today. Hey Oliver, so who do you think can change Ghana system? Charlie, let me speak my small English for you to understand, because the thing is, you guys are claiming that you are more just say you guys are educated people, you don't understand the Ghanaian language. Everything by Ghana, you people don't want. You see amos sano, you casa amos sano, the beer amos sano. Oliver, you want to tell me say you are living in UK, so you want Ghana system to change like UK, eh? Right? Captain Smart, when did you travel to UK? When did you travel to Europe? Which year did you start traveling to the abroad? Come and tell me, fucking Smart. Which year did you start traveling? Let me know. At the year of 2010, did you travel before? At the year of 2008, did you travel before? At the year of 2014, was you traveling to outside country? Tell me here. Say me bro for you, say no, me cap bro for me to make. Mama can't tell me. Say mumu bi mutu kwan. Say fie no mu di amo yankwasiafo. Because that time na UK na hofe. That time na Europe na wa chekere. That time na America na ho ye krokase. Enti mimi bi ya mu bi ye din krofo atia brochire almost 5 years, 10 years. 10 years mimi ba krom ya, me 7 years na mo. And so me fan ke kan kwasase mu tia ku for because na mo Ghana no